So I recently discovered this amazing 3-ingredient cheesecake recipe that has completely changed my dessert game. I mean, who knew you could make such a delicious treat with just 3 simple ingredients? It's the perfect dessert for when you're short on time or just craving something sweet without all the hassle of baking. All you need for this recipe is cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, and lemon juice. That's it. I couldn't believe how easy it was to whip up this cheesecake in no time at all. And the best part is, you don't even have to turn on your oven. It's a no-bake recipe, which means you can have a delicious dessert ready to go in no time. To start, you'll want to make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature. This will make it easier to mix and ensure a smooth and creamy texture for your cheesecake. Once your cream cheese is softened, simply beat it with an electric mixer until it's nice and smooth. Then slowly add in the sweetened condensed milk, mixing until everything is well combined. Next, you'll want to add in the lemon juice. This is what gives the cheesecake its tangy flavor and helps to balance out the sweetness of the condensed milk. Just a few tablespoons of lemon juice will do the trick. Mix it in until everything is well incorporated. Now comes the fun part, pouring the mixture into a prepared crust. You can use a store-bought graham cracker crust or make your own if you're feeling ambitious. Either way, just pour the cheesecake mixture into the crust and smooth it out with a spatula. Then, pop it in the fridge to chill for a few hours or overnight. After the cheesecake has had time to set, you can top it with your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, whipped cream, or a drizzle of chocolate sauce all work great. Get creative and make it your own. The possibilities are endless. I couldn't believe how delicious this cheesecake turned out. It was creamy, tangy, and just the right amount of sweet. And the best part is, it took me less than 15 minutes to whip up. It's the perfect dessert for when you're in a pinch or just want something quick and easy. I've already made this cheesecake recipe multiple times since discovering it, and it never disappoints. It's become my go-to dessert for dinner parties, potlucks, or just a sweet treat for myself. I love how versatile it is and how easily you can customize it to suit your tastes. If you're looking for a quick and easy dessert that will impress your friends and family, look no further than this 3-ingredient cheesecake recipe. It's a game changer, and I guarantee you'll be making it again and again. Give it a try and see for yourself just how delicious and simple it is. You won't be disappointed.